And the theme of this section is, what is your why? What is your why? We've talked about we want the what's, and then we're moving into that real soon. But the why is so important in these first steps of the journey. You know, it's the fantasy sometimes of the whys that the grass is going to be greener on the other side. We see this as clinicians with people in their jobs, in their relationships, right? Their marriages. We see this in their churches, that people don't have church homes as much anymore. They kind of go back and forth here and there. And so we got to stop for a minute, that we know the double-minded man in James. It says he's unstable in everything he does. He's like a ship tossed to and fro, back and forth on the waves, right? And so I want to just save you from that. I want to save your people from that, as in your clients, but also your family, your friends. This is a big step to go into your private practice. Or maybe it's you saying, I want to expand my private practice. I want to be accredited. I want to be full spirit led. I want inner healing, deliverance tools in this. I want to be protected and safe from audits, from any of our risk management stuff. How do we do this, Steve, and put this all together? I want to be a full service outreach to our communities. I hope you double what we're doing. If we're seeing 550 to 600, that you see 1,000 or 2,000 clients a week, then there's nothing beyond your grasp. Especially as we talked about last section, in the Holy Spirit, we will be His witnesses, right, to Jerusalem, to our state, our city, our state. You know, with telehealth, the limits are endless. You know, even if we just go the confines of my license here in Michigan, my sphere of influence in telehealth went from the communities around our 6 offices to our entire state overnight. You know, and so many people outside of the state that we coach, or we just structure that a little bit different, not under Renewal Counseling Center. And we'll help you sort that out later in income streams. But, you know, I want to say to you, it is possible in your city, in your state, and yes, unto the ends of the earth. We just want to look at first, though, why? Why are you doing this? Do you know why you're doing this?